Hi guys, today's theme on Truth and Taboo Scout is restart. We was gonna do it last week, but we didn't have enough time, so I'm gonna do it now. And I'm gonna show you this cool thing I can do with all the noises on my DSI. So make sure it sounds full. Yeah, okay. So I've got all the things I've recorded here. I'm gonna press play. Then if I go there, I can change it into electric fan or tunnel, which makes it spooky. And then, and you can also change it into budgie and robots and helium. Low harmony, high harmony, and slow harmony. And then you can change it into trumpet and whistle and buzzer. I prefer the tunnel. It makes it spooky and it's cool for a prank on my bro. Which I'm gonna do. At least use that pretty soon. That's not me. My DS is right here, not doing anything. Bye guys, let's begin.